Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set camera storage location and to internal storage on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen, okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, in useful feature section, you can see below the storage location. And the storage location is set into SD card. And if you want to set into internal storage, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up show, okay, you can see the option. Okay, you can now select the internal storage to set as a storage location. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the camera storage location into internal storage on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.